In this lab, you're going to establish network peering between two Azure virtual networks. However, before you get started on your own, let's quickly run through the steps you'll be taking. You'll begin the VNet peering process by navigating to the Virtual Network section in the Azure portal's home screen. From there, you'll see a list of all the virtual networks in your Azure subscription. You'll locate and click on the VNet app virtual network, which you'll be peering with another network. Virtual network peering allows for low latency connectivity between VNets, enabling communication between isolated networks. Once you're on the VNet app overview page, you'll click Peerings from the left-hand menu. This will allow you to set up the peering connections between VNet app and another virtual network. You'll then click Add to open the configuration settings for creating a new virtual network peering. In the peering creation window, you'll specify a name for the peering link by clicking on the peering link name field. For this lab, you'll name it Prod App, indicating that this peering is between the production network and the application network. Next, you'll select the virtual network you want to peer with VNet app by clicking the virtual network dropdown and choosing VNet Prod from the list. This will establish the connection between the application and production networks, ensuring they can communicate securely. You'll then define the reverse peering link by providing a name for the second link. You'll call this link App Prod, which indicates that the peering is from the application network back to the production network. After configuring the names, you'll scroll down to review the additional settings and options for the peering. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, you'll click Add to create the peering. Azure will begin processing the peering connection between the two virtual networks. Finally, you'll confirm that the newly created peering appears under the list of peerings for VNet app, ensuring the connection between the application and production networks is successfully established and ready for use.